Okay, so I'm trying to walk through all the changes I made for this project. So for the first part, I modified the mate.c file. The reason why I chose this file is that this file mate.c is responsible for booting all the kernels processes. And the specific change I made is right here. The reason why I placed in this specific part is that I used a verbose mode and found out that this function, this statement right here, got executed the last. And for changes that made, I used the pi merge function. Is basically using the system log in Linux system, and the merge right here set the log level to level 0, which is the most severe one, and only level 0 will get displaced during the normal booting processes. All the other levels will get displayed only in the verbose mode. And that's the first part. So the second part is that I changed the menu.list, and it is this file right here is related to the GROB system that we use at the beginning of the booting process. Basically, it shows you like a list of operating systems that can be booted, and you select from there. And my modification is just changing the name of operating system that can be booted by adding my name at the end. And I'm going to demonstrate like how my modification actually works by restarting this virtual machine. And what we're going to see is that my name will be shown on here because I changed the name of the operating system right here. And this file is related to the GRB interface right here. So that's why you can see my names on there. So I'm going to select my name. And so that's the output of the kernel locks. And it has my name, everything. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. See ya.